Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really valuable skill for anyone using Power BI: how to create your very own custom themes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform the look and feel of your reports, making them not only more visually appealing but also better aligned to your brand, project, or even just your personal preference. Let's not waste any time and jump right in. First off, before we can actually customize any themes, you'll need to make sure you have some data loaded into Power BI. Now, this could be a dataset you've already been working with, or even just a sample set if you're practicing. Having data visible is important because that way you can see your theme changes in real time and understand how those changes affect the appearance of your charts, tables, and visuals. Don't worry if you're new to this. As soon as you open Power BI Desktop and load up a dataset, you're ready for the next steps. Once your data's in place, take a look at the very top menu bar. Up there you'll see several tabs like Home, Insert, and Modeling, but the one we want is the View tab. Go ahead and click on View. This might seem like a simple navigation step, but knowing where things are in Power BI is half the battle, and the View tab is basically your control center for all display and theme-related adjustments. Within the View tab, you'll notice a section labeled Themes. This is where Power BI stores all the built-in and any custom themes you've created. Themes control everything from colors to fonts to background shades, and they can give your entire report a cohesive style with just a couple of clicks. Next to the word Themes, there's a drop-down menu. Click on that little arrow and you'll see a selection of pre-made options, but what we want is to click on Customize Current Theme. This is your gateway to complete control over the visuals. Now comes the fun part: personalizing your Power BI report. Here you'll see options for changing pretty much every aspect of your report's appearance. Let's take them one by one. Start with colors. You can pick a custom color palette that matches your organization's branding or even your favorite color combo. This isn't just a cosmetic change. Consistent use of color helps viewers quickly understand different categories across visuals. Then you have the option to adjust text settings like font style and size, which is crucial for readability, especially if your report will be viewed on different devices. Visuals options let you tweak how charts and cards look, enabling you to maintain consistency no matter how many visuals you use. As you scroll, you'll also find settings for the page background, so you can give your report a subtle background shade or pattern if you want. And don't forget the filter pane. Customizing this area can make it more inviting and easier for users to interact with your report. Take your time here. You can preview each change instantly to see how it impacts the overall look. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and adjust it until it looks just right. Once you're happy with all the customizations, simply click Apply. This will save and activate your custom theme, updating the entire report to reflect your new personalized style. And that's really all there is to it. You've just created a custom theme in Power BI that brings your data storytelling to a whole new level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need clarification on any part of the process, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.